Well, this is a little adventure for me. We're going to St Mary's Church in Bexley, and let us know if you like this sort of thing in the comments. And we've come to this old church, which also has, well, there's a bit of a graveyard here, but it also has another graveyard which is like a wood really, because it's overrun. Well, we've come to St Mary's churchyard, and so there are some Commonwealth graves amongst this lot, and there is actually a thing set out with all the different animals and what you can find in the churchyard. We're looking for a composition here, which in this graveyard there's a lot been cut down. It was like a wood, so we may have to go up to the woods to find something we want to shoot. This is a shot we've set up. We've got the 10-24 lens on, and we're just shooting this little headstone, and there is in the corner there a little cross, and there's lots of tombstones here, and we're going to go searching for another composition. A lot of wood been cut down here from the last time that I came, and so we'll have a wander around. Well, we had a wander around this churchyard or graveyard, and because some of the trees have been cut down, we come across some snowdrops, really sort of delightful little area of snowdrops, and we sort of use this to take a shot. So I'm handheld at this stage, but I'm really sort of happy with the result of this shot. So glad to come away with one shot today. Well, it sort of started raining now, so I had a good afternoon, and we're going to call it a day now and have a look at the pictures we've taken. Well, thanks for watching, and this is my first sort of effort at this type of video. Let us know how it's gone, whether you like it, don't like it, and leave a comment down below. It's quite interesting doing this, and yeah, I forgot to film quite a lot of it, and so I've done a bit of voiceover, which I've tried to match the audio as best I can, but yeah, please let us know. Until next time,